Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Here is an excellent investment opportunity for the entrepreneur who wants to live and earn or just use the entire property for the short-term rental. Almost half an acre of land space with 7,471 square feet of building space spread over 3 buildings, a total of 13 bedrooms and 13 bathrooms in the form of 1, 2, and 3 bedroom flats, studios. There is laundry and utility areas, rooftop entertainment, gazebo, pool, bar, and barbecue area with plenty of fruit trees. This property is usually fully booked with short-term guests who desire the authentic Jamaican holiday experience. This property is solar operated with water tank facilities, pump, air condition in most areas, ceiling fans, and water heater. Rio Nuevo is a low-density resort area sandwiched between the Caribbean Sea and the new coastal highway. From the balcony, there is a breathtaking view of the Caribbean Sea and other surrounding residential areas. 12 minutes from Ocho Rios. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end.
And why you never said you felt that way? And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
The asking price for this property is Jamaican 91.5 million or US 594,500. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.